myself Madhumati. My topic is secure mining of association rules in horizontally distributed database. My objective is it's a protocol based on the fast distributed mining algorithm. It's mainly used two novel secure multi-party algorithm. The first one is it computes a union part of private subset that each of interacting players hold. The second one is it's the inclusion of elements held by one player in a subset held by another. So it's very simple and significantly more efficient in terms of communication cost and rounds and computational cost. My existing system is this is not that much secure. The third party can easily access the data from the database or variants, and it's security. It's taking too time to proceed the data. So this is my existing. So my proposed is it's secure and the leakages information is very less. That is a small number of the and possible collections is there, and it's a less sensitive and less leakages. So this is my software requirements and hardware requirements, and this is my module pages. That is I have 3 modules. The first is user part and third one is admin part. In module 1 I have 4 headings. That is the initial registration, creating account, confirmation, registration, login, and second module that also user part, that is the registration, academic details, updating academic details and renewal part, and third module is admin part, creating association rules. The second one is securely storing private union of subset, request to view securely mined data, and last one is a view original data. So this is my here this is the employment service. This is my example of my project. So this is my home page. Here have an option like home, about, login, register, contact us. So just click as a register page, then it shows a registration form. Enter the fields of username and password and confirmation password, mail ID, mobile number, and then click register. At the register part, it shows mail. It shows a mail link. For that we're getting a very secure. So if you want to check a mail for getting a link, so here is there a link, just click that, we get a confirm registration link. So we have a confirmation registration click button here. Just click it. It's automatically go on the login page. Before what we given a username password, we just enter that same thing. After signing the page, so it shows a registration 10th. If we are completed in diploma and registration also there, and UG and PG and renewal, so we are enter the 10th registration. So in that we have a personal details, mobile numbers, and a code, 10th certificate, all fields is there. So we to fill this and all. this is a female, and enter a mail id for a secure purpose. Yeah, mail id. So we need not to give a unique id, it's automatically generated, so we don't give anything in there. So date of birth, just community, just select the community, whatever the community, and family code number. We have we have to enter 10-digit numbers, and it's registration date automatically generate, we don't give anything. In certificate we have to enter 8 digits. So we want to select the circle, that is implement of a circle. We have such options, so just select options. And the expiry date also, it's automatically generated, give anything, just click button station. Just after that we get a confirmation of the registration of 10th standard details. Just click it, and again we will check it our mail. We get a Chennai candidate as like this it shows, and in that we have a unique id. We have that which circle we selected, for that circle shortcut name. Then we have a date of registration, date of expiry, everything is there. So this is the part. After that we go to a home page. In that we have 12th, diploma, PUG, PG, everything we have to select. For 12th or everything, usually we don't have entry of full details, just enter the certificate numbers alone. Just 8 number we have to enter. So again it shows. So this I'm entering a UG. If your diploma, just enter here. I didn't enter diploma, so that here shows as a false. So here I'm entering a digit of certificate number. After the and just click OK. Again we have to go home page for a PG registration. Just click it. After that we enter the renewal part. Already we have a Chennai circle unique ID. We have, just click it, it shows ID, just select and put. In expiry date, already we got a mail, so that expiry date, just select that and paste. So just make a renewal. So that is the part. This is the concept of the first 2 modules. And just click a home page. Just click a logout. It's getting into a home page. After that, again we have to click the login page. So I have a login. Here we want to admin. We are going to admin part. So enter admin. So sign in. Here options: home, view normal records, secure mining, and view secure data. Here we just click the secure mining. Here association rules here doing. So we have to select a combination association rules. That is a 1, 2. Here I am select combinations. That is community, gender. So here do secure mining. Just click there. After that you get secured. Then we have to go as view secure data. here we have to select a circle, which circle we want to see. It's Chennai, and get a password key, that is you get a verify. So here just select it, and this circle Chennai. So do subscribe my name. Let's get and view secure data. Chennai circle we want to see. Select and clicking in Chennai. Get verified. We get a job ID. We have a code. For that encrypted code we get this. Just select it, and we have the data. We have the data like this. What are the Chennai details? So after that we have our option. This is the encrypted data. For the secure purpose we give this, and after that the admin part we will do a decrypted process, and this is all the original view. This is the original data, and we have under that we have a option send interview call letter. Just once we click this, we will send a letter to the person. They will get the interview letter, and finally they will check they get a letter. So this is the entire process of the secure process of distributing database. So it shows as a successfully sent to all shortlisted candidates, it shows. So this is the concept of the secure mining of association tools in horizontally distributed database. And at last we get a logout.